Animals, bugs, aquatic life, whether you're in the city or out in the wild, you're never too far from another living creature. And the encounters can go one of two ways. Sometimes it's an innocuous encounter that doesn't lead to much, but sometimes it can be an interaction you won't soon forget. This presentation is about the former rather than the latter. All right, let's begin. Did anyone ask the gator if he wanted to take a turn on the skis?
Flashlight.
आवाज मत करो यार ज्यादा
I'll just open my door and... Nope! This poor dog's just taking a nap when he's greeted by, well, let's just say, an unexpected surprise.
Look, he's trying to hit that jeep.
This shark is just letting everyone know who's in charge in these waters.
What the fish snatcher? Look at this. There's a shark in the lake. What the look, y'all, we're rocking the boat. I'm gonna throw you in the water. You better stop. You better stop. This is crazy. What the fish snatcher?
My roommate left the window open earlier and said he saw a snake climb in. I don't know what the hell he's Oh my god. It's okay, boy, it's fine. It's gonna be okay. It's all gonna be okay. You're okay, girl. You're okay. Come on, let's go outside.
Have you ever wanted to know what the inside of a tarantula's burrow looks like? Yeah, me neither, but here it is. What's the worst thing you can come across while out sea kayaking?
Dude, Danny, what do I do? Holy shit.
Massive shark jumps onto boat.
Get that! Oh, fuck! You okay, Kristen? Yeah.
Pelicans. They're a friendly bird, right?
Like you clipping them ends, girl. Yeah, now fun back. Yeah.
Okay, I'm good.
Handle it like a hot girl, man. Handle it like a hot girl. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's what he's supposed to do.
Kangaroos are cute and all, but that's until they decide they don't want to be your friend.
If you see his back is like a circle like this, it's not spitting the poison. Nah. But if you see the back like this, like a one circle, one more circle, it's spitting the poison.
I won't get close enough.
I don't want this one not spitting. Just 1 hour. Nah, 1 hour that is.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, boy! Time to get out. You can get out now.
Yeah. This one, the snake just caught is self-defending.
Okay, you keep your eye on
You be careful.
Go out. But the snake just...
Life in the Australian outback can be an adventure. Just remember to look first before sitting on the toilet.
chased! Ah! They're coming for us! They've been following us for like a mile. I told them I was a communist. The whole Air Force came for me.
This beautiful fish is a mahi-mahi, and if you don't already know, they're delicious.
Red Sea.
I'm Olivia. Stu.
How are we?
It's right there.
Oh, in this box?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It's right on this side, on top of the filter.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. That's very cool.
Well, that's a little bit easier than I thought it would be.
Oh, he's on
and
the
he's
move.
off,
Yeah,
yeah.
I've got that. Go, 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 go.
Can you grab this for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You good? Where's his head? Oh, you're on. Oh, phone call. Beautiful snake. Oh. Oh, I thought he was about to have a crack at you.
Yeah, so did I. Yeah, they are gorgeous. Carp spiders are enough.
In the bag.
They don't hang out in twos. They can, yeah. We've absolutely caught them in twos before.
Yeah.
Threes even.
Especially this time of year.
Always remember to double check your bananas when shopping for stowaways from tropical parts unknown.
Everybody's afraid of these ostriches. They shove their heads inside. See, he ducks like this. That's how he lets you know that he's coming on in. And I don't know what the deal is with everybody in the ostriches, but they get pretty nervous. Burrow's running up to the side of the car. Ostrich over here. Things are getting crazy. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. He ain't playing. Somebody's got to do something. What are we doing?
I already gave him my Tito dust.
What are we doing? He's chasing the car, so he's not playing. He's still coming, guys. Oh.
Ladies, if you meet a guy and he tells you he's into raising these things, do yourself a favor and run. Look at the size of this thing. It has to be an alien, and I for one welcome our new insect overlords.
Ong ong.
How this raccoon got into the storm drain, we'll never know. But props to the guys who set him free.
It is said charity begins at home, and for these young orphaned elephants, this charitable foundation is what they call home. It is the place where they discover and are taught life's lessons, experience love, and grapple with loss. And even for millions of other species, home hangs in the balance. Human actions are destroying habitats, decimating our entire ecosystem and disrupting the circle of life. And with the rise in drought cases, it is up to us to be guardians of our own natural world, save our wild species, and provide a home.
So, what did we learn today? We learned that around every corner lurks something scary. Please have your phones ready to film it so we can all enjoy your terror. That's worth a like, don't you think? And please, subscribe to our channel because we have so much more in store for you. See you next time.